welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified for all my future videos. Vamos a empezar. So today we are going to do a gradient look with all purple, because purple is my favorite color, and those were the colors that I had like the widest range of, so I just chose those. I prepped my nails. I will definitely link a video down below on how to prep, and put my beautiful tips on, put that base coat, cured that for 60 seconds. I'm going in with Saviland glitter purple, light purple, lilac, dream purple, and then Aquarius from SXC. Now, the glitters from Saviland, like I've told y'all before, they're a lot stickier than their solid colors, and I don't know if it's because of the formula or whatever, but whatever, it's doable if you have a lot of slip solution and your brush is clean. If your brush is not clean and you don't have a lot of, slip solution, it's gonna be difficult. You're gonna be like feeling like it's boulder gel. Like, no lie. But mira que bonito. I love this purple color. Like, this one's so pretty. I think I'm gonna do this in another look, like maybe in a winter look. That would be so dope. Look how beautiful. So also what I noticed when you're using Saviland with the glitters, they do take a lot longer to cure. So instead of curing this for 60 seconds, I cured it for 90 seconds because it just wasn't curing all the way. So cured that for 90 seconds, and then I went in with a second bead. Then I'm using some light purple, and oh my gosh, y'all, like these purples I'm completely obsessed with. I was really sad that I had to peel off base coat, like really sad. I need to recreate this so it lasts for at least 2 weeks, because your girl was getting all the vibes. This was another one where it was a little sticky, but I'm so proud of myself because, y'all, my application was damn near perfect, okay? Like, even the apex, I was just so proud of myself. I was like, girl, get with it. I barely had to drill, mind you, so I was so proud of myself. And the thickness was perfect, and I just loved it. Alright, so this one I'm going in. This one's Aquarius, and y'all, just look how it glows in the dark after I cure it. It's so pretty. Look how it glows. I love that. Alright, so I went in with lilac, and this is literally the most simplest design ever, but the gradient just goes a long way. Like, it's so pretty. I never thought that I would be this obsessed with gradient look, but I need more inspo, so definitely send me some ideas. Tag me on Instagram. Let me know what kind of nail looks you want to see, and I'll definitely recreate those and tag the artist and stuff like that. But I just want y'all to show me what you want to see, because I definitely love recreating looks. This one I wasn't really recreating. I was just like, oh, I have 5 purples. Let me like try to do something with them. So I just put that all together, but I love the way they came out. I'm gonna let y'all finish the application and I'll come back. So I ended up actually using Dream Blue, and this one is cold. When it's cold, it's this pretty pink purple, and then when it's hot, it turns this really like clear with holographic chunks in it, and it's really pretty. So you'll end up, look at that. You saw that? Alright, so I cleaned my nose off, and then I went in with my beautiful, amazing Melody Susie new drill, because remember how I told you I upgraded. So look at this, like boom. And then mind you, my application was damn near perfect, so I barely had to do any work. So pretty. I went in with a top coat, and I just wanted to bling these out. So I did one nail at a time, and I did some cuticle gems with some gems I got from Amazon, and I'll definitely link those down below. I just love how my middle finger is just glowing. Love it. Alright, so obviously top this off with some cuticle oil, honey. Like, it'll just make your whole look complete. So once you do that, oh my goodness, it's just so Instagram worthy. Definitely Instagram worthy. As always, thank you so much for watching. To my subscribers that just keeps coming back, I love y'all. Y'all are great. And to the new ones, consider subscribing, liking, and sharing. Y por supuesto, nos vemos en la próxima.